Hello and welcome to the session. This session focuses on learning outcome 2. How do organizational structures and cultures impact effectiveness? This video explores key aspects of organizational behavior, from structures to culture. Discover how these elements shape a business's success. The way a business is organized affects its competitiveness. Organizational structure determines authority, responsibility, and communication flow. It defines job roles and accountability. Think of it as the command and control system. Understanding this is crucial for achieving business aims and objectives. Small firms often have informal, fluid structures. As firms grow, roles and responsibilities become clearer. A formal structure becomes necessary. This includes defining functional areas like finance and human resources. Organization charts visually represent these roles and responsibilities. Hierarchies are structured in layers, with top layers having more authority. Span of control refers to how many workers a manager oversees. Tall organizations have many layers and small spans of control. Flat organizations have few layers and large spans of control. Each has its own advantages and challenges. Delayering removes middle management layers. It cuts costs and improves communication. Remaining workers may gain responsibilities, empowering them. However, it can lead to loss of skilled managers. Initial costs include redundancy and training. Matrix structures use project-based design. Teams include representatives from different functional areas. This encourages quick decision-making and skill utilization. However, it can create split loyalties and high administrative costs. Balancing these factors is key to success. Centralization keeps decision-making authority with senior managers. It benefits from economies of scale and aligns activities with objectives. Quick decisions are possible with skilled managers. However, local differences may be overlooked. Employees may feel demotivated without decision-making power. Decentralization delegates decision-making down the hierarchy. It empowers staff, potentially motivating them. Local conditions can be considered in decisions. However, it may lead to inconsistent corporate messages. Fewer economies of scale may be achieved. Flexibility is achieved with core and peripheral workers. Core workers are permanent and knowledgeable. Peripheral workers are temporary and cost-effective. Outsourcing and home working add flexibility. Advanced technology often supports these practices. Culture is the typical way of working within an organization. It is influenced by the organizational structure. Power, role, task, and person cultures are common types. Entrepreneurial culture encourages risk-taking and creativity. Understanding culture helps in navigating organizational dynamics. Power culture is held by a few individuals. Decisions are made swiftly. It can lack creativity and be bureaucratic. This culture suits organizations needing quick responses. However, it may stifle broader participation. Role culture is highly structured with defined roles. It can be bureaucratic and lack creativity. Roles are crucial in maintaining order. This culture suits stable environments. It may struggle with rapid changes. Task culture is based on team working for specific tasks. It responds quickly to environmental changes. Teams are dynamic and adaptable. This culture suits innovative and fast-paced industries. It thrives on collaboration and flexibility. Person culture values individual expertise and knowledge sharing. Workers are trained and given freedom. It encourages innovation and creativity. This culture suits organizations valuing individual contributions. It may lead to challenges in coordination. Entrepreneurial culture encourages risk-taking and creativity. Failure is often accepted as a learning experience. It drives innovation and new ideas. This culture suits startups and dynamic industries. It thrives on adaptability and change. Teamwork increases productivity and innovation. It boosts employee commitment and motivation. Quality improves, while absenteeism and turnover decrease. Effective teamwork is essential for organizational success. It fosters a collaborative and supportive environment. Formal teams meet organizational objectives with defined roles. Informal teams focus on social and psychological needs. They provide support for formal teams. Both types are crucial for organizational effectiveness. Understanding their dynamics is key. Effective teams have clear, shared goals and defined roles. Open communication and mutual trust are essential. They make effective decisions and manage conflicts well. Balanced participation and leadership enhance team dynamics. Cooperation is key to success. Team effectiveness depends on members' skills and abilities. The size of the group affects dynamics. The task at hand influences team performance. Effective teams adapt to challenges. They leverage strengths for success. Belbin identified roles like plant, coordinator, and shaper. Each role contributes uniquely to team success. Understanding these roles enhances team dynamics. Teams benefit from diverse skills and perspectives. Balancing roles ensures effective collaboration. In conclusion, understanding how organizational structures and culture impact effectiveness is essential for achieving organizational goals. Organizational structure influences communication, decision-making, and accountability, while organizational culture shapes values, behaviors, and attitudes within the workplace. Together, they affect employee engagement, performance, and adaptability to change. Understanding these impacts enables organizations to design structures and foster cultures that support efficiency, collaboration, and long-term success. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 07484 361688.